or top load washing machine. This one decision decides not just how clean your clothes get, but also how much water, electricity, time, and effort you'll spend for the next 10 years. This is honestly one of the most common doubts I get on Clearbuy. Like every week, someone asks me, Pooja, which one should I actually buy? So in this video, I'll explain the real practical differences between front load and top load based on how they actually work, how Indian homes use them, and whether spending that extra 10 to 15,000 on a front load is truly worth it. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to Clearbuy. I spend all my time buying and testing home appliances, TVs, soundbars, washing machines, air conditioners to see how they perform in real life, not just on paper. So you can buy confidently without wasting your money. Everything I share here is from real testing and real experience. Okay, let's start with the thing that actually matters most. Which one cleans better? Because honestly, what's the point of saving water or electricity if your clothes don't actually come out clean, right? Here is the reality. Front load washers clean better, like noticeably better. The reason? Front loads uses tumbling motion. Clothes get lifted up, dropped down, lifted up, dropped again. It's like hand washing. That tumbling action gets deep into the fabric and pulls out dirt, stains, sweat, everything. Top loads, they use a twisting motion. The pulsator or agitator spins, water moves around, clothes frill. It works fine for regular dirt. But for stubborn stains like curry, oil, mud or chocolate, front loads win. I'm not saying top loads don't clean well. They do for everyday laundry like shirts, pants, bed sheets. They are perfectly fine. But if you have kids who come home covered in mud, or you wear white shirts that get collar stains, or you are someone who sweats a lot and needs deep cleaning, front load will give you better results. And here is another thing, fabric care. Front loads are way gentler on clothes. That tumbling motion doesn't pull and stretch fabric like an agitator does. So your clothes last longer, colors stay brighter. Delicate fabrics like silk, lace or your expensive party wear all safer in a front load. Top loads with agitators, they can be rough. Clothes get tangled, fabrics get stretched. Over time, you'll notice wear and tear faster. So my honest take for washing quality and fabric care, front load is genuinely better. That's not marketing, that's just how the mechanics work. Speed, convenience, ease of use. This is where top loads absolutely shine. Think about it, you're getting ready for work in the morning, you realize you need to wash a load quickly. With a top load, 25 to 40 minutes max. Throw in your clothes, press start, and by the time you have had breakfast and gotten dressed, it's done. Front load, you are looking at 70 to 120 minutes, sometimes even longer if you are using heavy duty or sanitized modes, like almost 2 hours for one load. That's a big difference when you are in a hurry. And you can't pause a front load mid-cycle to add that one forgotten socks. The door locks, you have to wait. Top load, just lift the lid, toss it in. Easy. Also loading and unloading, with a top load, you just drop clothes in from the top. No bending. Front load, you are bending down every time. If you have back problems, knee pain or you are elderly, top load is way more comfortable. Honestly, for sheer convenience and speed, top load is a clear winner. Now let's talk about noise and vibration. During washing, front loads are quieter, 40 to 55 dB. Top loads run at 60 to 70 dB. But during spin cycle, front loads get loud, 75 to 80 dB, like a vacuum cleaner. Top load stays consistent at 70 to 75 dB. Vibration, front load spin at 1200 to 1600 RPM. Creates major shaking, can move across the floor. You need anti-vibration pads and solid flooring. Top load spin at 700 to 800 RPM. Way more stable, less vibration. Front loads with direct drive motors and VRT, vibration reduction technology, are better. But they cost more and even premium models vibrate more than top loads. And here is something super important about size and shape. Front loads are wider, need 24 inches for door swing. Can be stacked with dryers though, great for small spaces. Top loads are narrower, can't stack but need vertical clearance for the lid. Measure your space before deciding. Now let's talk about the biggest difference that affects your bills. Water savings. This is where the difference is huge. A top load uses 140 to 150 liters per wash. A front load uses 60 to 70 liters. That's half the water. Actually, less than half. If you wash 4 times a week, front load saves you around 14,000 liters per year. That's about 500 to 700 rupees annual savings on water bills. Now, if you live in an area where water is expensive or if there is a frequent water shortages, honestly this alone justifies buying a front load. But if you have your own borewell or municipal water is unlimited and inexpensive, in that case top load makes more sense for the convenience and lower price. Now electricity. And this is where most people get confused. So here is what you need to know. Both front load and top loads now come with built-in heaters in many models. Brands like LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, Haier, they all offer heaters in both types. And that heater is what actually decides your electricity consumption. If you use cold water on either machine, front load use slightly less power, around 0.2 to 0.5 units per wash. Top loads use 0.5 to 1 unit. So yeah, front loads are more efficient with cold water. But the moment you turn on the heater, whether it's a front load or a top load, electricity consumption jumps. At 60 degrees, both types use around 1 to 1.75 units per wash. At 90 degrees, it's 2 to 2.5 units because heating water consumes a lot of power. So my honest take, if you mostly wash in cold water, front loads save electricity, about 20 to 30% less than top loads. But if you frequently use hot water cycles for stain removal or hygiene, front load, top load doesn't matter. Both will have high electricity bills. The heater is what eats the power, not the machine type. Just remember, hot water cleaning is more effective for removing bacteria, allergens and tough stains. That's why both types now offer heaters, but it does cost more to run. And one more huge advantage of front loads, drying speed. And honestly, I think this is the most underrated benefit. Front loads spin at 1200 to 1600 RPM. They squeeze out way more water. Clothes come out 80 to 90% dry. Top load spin at 700 to 800 RPM. Clothes come at around 60 to 70% dry, noticeably wetter. That difference matters during monsoons when you are drying indoors when humidity is high. With front load clothes, they'll dry in 4 to 5 hours. Top load clothes might take 7 to 8 hours, sometimes overnight. Honestly, the 20% extra dryness, it's a lifesaver during rainy season. Alright, so after everything, here is my recommendation. Buy a front load if you want the best washing quality and stain removal. This genuinely cleans better, especially for stubborn stains like curry, oil or mud. You want faster drying. That 1400 RPM spin make clothes 80 to 90% dry. Absolute lifesaver during monsoons. You are okay with gasket maintenance, wiping it dry after every wash, leaving door open, monthly cleaning cycles. You can spend 25 to 40,000 rupees. Front load costs more upfront. You want gentle washing for delicate or expensive clothes. Tumbling motion is way softer on silk, lace, party wear. You have solid flooring and can handle vibration during spin cycle, especially important if you are on upper floors. You need space saving options, stackable with dryer or can fit under your kitchen counter. Buy a top load if your budget is 12,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees, significantly cheaper than front loads. You want quick 25 to 40 minute cycles. Front load takes 70 to 120 minutes, almost 2 hours. You don't want maintenance hassles. No mold issues, no gasket cleaning, just wash and forget. You need mid-cycle loading. Forget a socks, just open and toss it in. Can't do that with front loads. Water is cheap and abundant. If you have your own borewell or unlimited municipal water. You are elderly or having back problems, no bending, easier to load from top. And one more thing about washing quality, since that's the most important factor, yes, front loads clean better. But honestly, for regular everyday laundry like t-shirts, jeans, bed sheets, top loads do a perfectly good job. You'll only notice the difference with really stubborn stains or delicate fabrics. So if deep cleaning and fabric care are your top priorities, front load is worth the extra money and maintenance. If speed, convenience and budget matter more, top load is the smarter choice. Simple as that. So this is the major difference between the top load and front load washing machine. I have shared the best top load and front load washing machine links in the description. If you are planning to buy one, please check them out. If this video helped you even a little, a like and your one subscribe really keeps me motivated to test and share more honest reviews every day. And if you have any doubts or questions, drop a comment. I read every single one. Thank you for being here. I am Pooja from Clearbuy and I'll see you in the next one.